How to add to cart for sold out products in Shopify Dawn theme. In this video, I will show you how to do it in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to online store and then themes. Find your Dawn theme and click edit code. Step 2, locate the product from that liquid file. Again, locate the product form.liquid file. This is usually under sections or snippets, depending on your theme version. Step 3. Search for the additional code that disables the Add to Cart button when inventory is 0. Remove or comment out this logic so the button remains active even when sold out. Step 4. Optionally, add a custom note near the button. For example, this product is on back order or it can be shipped in 2 to 3 weeks so that customers knows that they can still purchase it. Step 5. Save your changes and preview your store to confirm the button works as intended. That's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.